Hi guys, ngayon ililesson ko yung discount series kung paano nakuha yung total discount. Example, SM Department Store offers TV set of 12,500 which discount of 20% and 10%. What is the selling price of customer? Given, hanapin mo yung original price. Um, 12,500 and rates 20% and 10%. Tapos, using discount, rate method. TD. Unang gagawin, yung selling price, 12,500 times 0.20 equals 25. And 12,500 minus 25 equals 10,000. Yung 10 discount pa. 10,000 times 0.10 equals 1,000. And 10,000 minus 1,000 equals 9,000. Ngayon, solve natin yung net cost equivalent. Yung given natin ay yung rate kanina 0.20 tsaka 0.10 net cost equivalent. Yung paano nakuha yung net cost equivalent ay minus 1 0.20 equals 0.8, pwede rin 0.80. Tapos ganun din dito 0.10, 1 minus 0.10 equals 0.90. Tapos i-multiply natin net cost na nakuha natin, 0.80 times 0.90 equals 0.72. Then yung kaninang discount 12,500 times sa 0.72 equals 9,000. Ngayon, i-formula natin. 1 minus 0.72 equals 0.28. Tapos, 0.28 natin, ita-times natin sa 100 para makuha natin yung total discount equal 28. Ito yung total discount natin ay 28 total discount series.